field against the safety. That time it's a double move against Keenan Lewis. If you let Mike Wallace get off clean, Javier Arenas, it's going to be trouble. Take a look at Mike Wallace. He's who they go to when they need a long distance